Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's have a look at a couple of examples for factor theorem. Use the factor theorem to show x minus 1 is a factor fx is x cubed minus x squared minus 3x plus 3. So this is a cubic function and they want to check whether x minus 1 is a factor. So let's rewrite this one as a factors x minus 1 and there might be a quotient and there might be a remainder, and x minus 1 is a factor if the remainder equal to 0. So we need to check whether you would get remainder is 0 when x minus 1 is factor. Let's substitute x equal 1. If we substitute x equal 1, this whole thing becomes 0 and we can able to find the remainder, right? So what is f1? So 1 cubed minus 1 squared minus 3 into 1 plus 3, which is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3, and here we go, this is equal to 0. Therefore, the remainder equals 0. If remainder is equal to 0, then we know that when you convert this function into a factor formula, like when you convert this function into x minus 1 into another factor, the remainder become 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Thank you for watching this video. Right, in the next video, let's try to factorize a cubic function when x is not a factor. So let's see how we can put everything together, remainder theorem, factor theorem, into an action.